When cost outweighs interest and benefits, what is compromised is usually 1. Value. The overall value proposition breaks down, meaning what you get is no longer worth what you give up. 2. Sustainability. Whether it's a project, relationship, investment, or decision, it becomes difficult to justify continuing when the cost is too high. Long-term viability is compromised. 3. Motivation, engagement. If something costs too much, money, time, effort, stress, relative to the perceived benefits, motivation typically drops. 4. Opportunity. You lose the chance to pursue better, more cost-effective options. This is an opportunity cost problem. 5. Satisfaction, well-being. High costs with low benefits can lead to dissatisfaction, burnout, or regret.